Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we covered the process of retrofitting factory Android Auto and CarPlay, as well as showed you how to install an aftermarket wireless full-screen CarPlay module, both of which have their advantages and disadvantages, but of course we are not going to get into much details about this here. The focus of this video will be on the factory CarPlay and Android, and as most of you guys know, by design the connection between the car and the smartphone is wired, which means every time you get in and out of the car you need to hook up your phone to the white USB port in the armrests. So many people ask me, is it possible to make the connection wireless, and if so, what are the options? Well, the simplest solution is to get yourself a wireless CarPlay dongle as the one in front of me. If you look online, there will be a great variety of these type of dongles in the price range between 10 and 50 pounds. I have tried a couple in my experience, and the very cheapest one could be a hit and miss, and the more expensive one tend to be a bit of an overkill. A company called Binize provided me with a wireless adapter to test, so in today's video we'll have a look at the device and show you how to connect and set up in your car. And after a week of usage I'll report back my impressions and opinion about the device itself. By the way, the setup procedure will be identical to any other wireless CarPlay dongle, so whichever one you got, this video should guide you in the installation process. About the company and the product, I've left a link of their website in the video description. They also have provided me with a discount code which you can use to get an additional 10% discount on your purchase, and also this way you support my channel. So this is their website. They have a portfolio of all kind of CarPlay and Android devices, but to find what we're looking for, I'm going to go to CarPlay adapters category and select wireless CarPlay adapters. And there we go, our device is showing up on the screen. The current market price is $30, and if you use my discount you're gonna get additional couple of quid down on the price. So moving to the actual device review, I'm going to start with a quick unboxing. Inside the package, pretty standard, we have the instruction manual, which to be honest you're hardly going to need, the actual wireless extender dongle, which will be a USB type A port, but of course in the package they will also provide you with an adapter cable USB type A to a USB type C, which the latest vehicles may have instead of the bulkier older USB type A. So I'm going to proceed directly with the installation. I'll plug the dongle in the dedicated data USB port on my Volvo. We can already see a light indicator on the device. Typically for the initial boot up of the day, I would expect the device to take about 20-30 seconds until it's ready and starts streaming your phone. And just in time we got the pop-up message on the screen, which will prompt us to accept all the terms and conditions of the CarPlay and Android Auto. After accepting, it gives us information on the screen of how to connect to the device itself. So we need to switch on the Bluetooth on our phone and search for the device name as displayed on the car screen. So let me set this up on my phone. So we can see the phone managed to detect the device almost immediately. I'll press the connect button and go through all the pairing steps. So after doing the pairing, what I found to be a very good practice is to disconnect the dongle and reconnect it straight after that the car. This will ensure the connection will restart on both the dongle and your smartphone itself, so it should hopefully all boot up in a good state. So there we go, we managed to successfully connect the device to our car. A quick scan through the available apps and options. Obviously that's purely gonna be dependent on what apps you have installed on your phone, but you can still get an idea of what the working speed and stability of the device is. Obviously by the time I edited the video it was already over a week of usage of this device, and I can say I'm very happy with how it performs, and it was definitely a good value for money. Well, that will be everything for today's video. My tutorials tend to be slightly longer than that, but here there isn't really much else to show. Product and installation are very user friendly, so you shouldn't have any problems doing it yourself. Hope you find this video useful. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have any ideas for future videos. See you next time.